Before there was trains, men's and women's rided horses or walked. Oh my goodness. What are we going to do here? I see some spelling errors here, Gabby. What can you help me with?
Trains is spelled wrong.
Could you spell that for me correctly?
It is Trains.
Nice work. Before there was trains, does that sound right? Men's and women's rided horses or walked. Anna Lynn. Annalisa. Change men's to men. So we'll get rid of the S there. How about women? Should we do the same thing there? Okay. So before there was trains, men and women rided horses or walked. This is a hot mess, Fred. What should it be? Change rided to not, what is it? Road. Before there was trains. Oh, you got to fix this right here. We got to fix this. Before there was trains. What should that be? Ava Bean. Before there were trains. I keep wanting to say were, but I didn't want to give it away. All right, ready? Before there were trains, men and women rode horses or walked. How does that sound now? Is there anything else? Why is it important for you to read it and hear it? If you don't read it and hear it out loud, you're going to miss something. So we read, edit, and write. And that's exactly why we do that, okay? So that you hear mistakes when you read them, okay? Right, Alora? Right, Atessity? All right, so we have were, trains, get rid of the S on men and women. Hold still. We changed rided to road. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 corrections there. All right. People wanted to move more fast, so they invented trains that move on tracks. What do you guys think? What do you think? Yes.
More fast, faster.
Yes. Now we're talking about, what do we call that? What form of fast are we doing if we use the ER?
A comparative adjective.
Yes. Right? A comparative adverb, right? How is it moving? Faster, right? All right. People wanted to move faster, right? What comes before that conjunction? First of all, where's the conjunction? When I say conjunction, what word am I talking about? Leo. If we look at this one right here. If I say people wanted to move faster, so they invented trains that move on tracks. If I ask you what word in that whole sentence is the conjunction, it conjuncts, it brings two halves together.
So.
Yes, sir. So if the conjunction is so, there it is, what do we need before it? Before you answer that, Leo, answer this question. You ready? Is this a complete sentence? They invented trains that move on tracks.
Yes.
Why? I agree, but why? Tell me why. Tell me how you know that's a complete sentence.
Because the cell comes before they invent trains.
Right. Okay. They invented trains that move on tracks. Why? How do we know that that is a complete sentence? It's got two parts. What two parts do you need to have a complete sentence?
There's a subject and a predicate.
Give me the subject.
They.
Okay, and what's the predicate? What about they?
Invent trains.
Yes. We know it's a complete sentence because it has a subject and a predicate, right, Leo? So now, because the other half of this sentence is joined together by a conjunction, what do we need before the conjunction? What is that right there?
A comma.
A comma. We need a comma. How about people wanted to move faster? Is that a complete sentence?
Yeah.
Yes. And how do we know that's a complete sentence? And can you give me the subject and predicate, Gabby?
The subject is people and predicate is wanting to move faster.
That's my girl right there. All right, people wanted to move faster. So They invent trains that move on tracks. What do we need? We need a suffix there. We need a suffix there, Gary. What is it? We need ED. Yes, sir. They invented trains that move faster. So I was real busy on this one. So I'll show you. There's only a few actual errors. Faster, comma, and ED right there. So 3, right? 3 corrections on that one. Got it? All right. Yes, dear. This is, circle the meaning of the bold root word.
Yeah, this one's hard.
Oh, yeah? What is the, okay. Moat. Right there. There's the bold root word right there. Moat, right? My favorite ride at the park is the locomotive because it goes fast. Now, are there clues in the text that might help you understand what that root word means? Goes fast. It goes fast. It's a ride. So it's a ride that goes fast. Which one do you think it is? Is it to pedal, to move, or push? Vin, it's to move. It absolutely is to move, right? Absolutely, absolutively. Right? All right, now let's take a look at this one. Make the word speedy a comparative adverb. Now, what do we got to do with that Y? I'm gonna do it right now. Ready? Speedy. S-P. Get rid of that. S-P-E-E-D-Y. What is that D? What is D? Say it loud and proud. Loud. What is it? It's a consonant. It's a consonant. Yes. And so because a consonant comes before Y, what do we do with the Y? Colby.
Change it to an I.
Well, we got to drop it, right? We're going to drop the Y and replace it with an I, right? And so now we want to make it comparative. So what are we going to do? We're going to change that to an I, right? And what ending does it get, everyone?
ER.
ER. All right. So the train is fast, but the roller coaster is even speedier. And here's how you spell it. S-P-E-E-D-I-E-R. So everybody got it? Very good. That is week 7, day 4, DLR in the book.